What's going on, people? We're the Grease Monkey. So what I got behind me is my '02 Chevy S10 frame. Well, technically it's a rolling chassis. So it is about to go to Level Fabrication out of Florence, Alabama. And what they're gonna do is pretty much a whole back half setup. So they gonna like cut my frame and put new arched arms, and it's gonna be a parallel 4-link with a trap bar, and then I got a quick performance 9-inch that's going in the back, and then it's gonna get set up for air ride. So I also got to take them the cab and the bed and some other, you know, AMD parts. Shout out Automotive Direct. And that way he'll be able to set my wheels inside of my fender well and be able to get everything aligned perfectly. So yeah, y'all gonna see me going up there a couple days here and there, you know, kind of working on the build, because I want to actually work with him on it, and you know, like work kind of hands-on with the frame. So as you can see, I done already cut the old existing bed mounts and the cab mounts off, and then these are the new cab mounts right here from RussD Parts, and I got the whole kit. So it's the bumper mounts, the cab mounts, the running board mounts, the bed, rear bumper, everything from RussD Parts, and it just got to be welded on. Well, they're actually a bolt-on kit that you can actually drill into your frame and bolt it on, but I like the rigidity of welding them on, so that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, so we're about to go up there, drop this frame off so they can go ahead and get started with the 4-link kit and the rear frame section. And yeah, I got a custom set of wheels coming for it. And yeah, so that's about what we got going on with this one. All right, so let me show y'all the blaze. Let's go back inside to the AC. Well, hold on, while we right here. So this is a 74 K5 4-wheel drive rolling chassis. Got the transmission on it, transfer case. If any of y'all need this rolling chassis, hit us up in the comments. This is a set of, what size is it? These 37, 13, 16 Super Swampers, if y'all know about boggers. And then these are Raceline wheels. I'm pretty sure they're Raceline. But either way, all of this is a rolling chassis. Y'all make offers in the comments. We'll deliver it to you. Y'all can come get it. It don't matter. If y'all need it, let us know. It is for sale because we are using a Roadster Shop chassis, and it's now low to the ground. So y'all come on in this nice, beautiful AC. All right, so most current update. As y'all can see, we trying to fit the body onto the chassis. Roadster Shop chassis. 6.2 LT1 with a 10-speed. This is just literally just mock-up. Just make sure the trans tunnel, everything clear. So, and as you can see, this is a bad Roadster Shop chassis. So we done definitely had some rust repair going on. We got the whole center cut out for the rear arch. Got the wheel wells going in, because you know, of course, we got to fit a big lip back there. So yeah, we know we got a long way to go. We know it's coming. We're gonna get it knocked out. Miguel gonna have us looking showroom fresh, like this joker just came off the Chevy assembly line. Hard at work. And you know, it's already on fours right now. That's how I kind of like test wheel. But the rims that's going on here are much wider. Much wider. And it's gonna sit lower than this. It's actually gonna sit probably a ½ inch off the ground. Right now the frame resting on 2x4s, so we can actually, you know, take the body on and off the frame with the lift. Because if it set all the way down to where it's gonna, you know, sit, the lift won't be able to clear. So we got it on 2x4. But yeah, that's where we at right now with this.